Okay, so let us start today's class. And in today's class, we will learn how to create an advanced WordPress website. Till now, we have concentrated on basic WordPress website, all the basic options we have used. Then we have used advanced options such as plugins. We have learned about plugins. Then we have also learned how to create a blogging website. But in today's class, let us learn how to create an advanced WordPress website that is service oriented or a blogging website. Now, whenever you want to create advanced WordPress website, if anything is there in your website prior, now in this website, I think there is some content which we have done yesterday. So just delete that particular content. Just make your website complete blank website. Nothing should be there in your website, first of all. I want a complete brand new website. Now, in case I want to delete this content, how can I do it, Ravi? I want my website to be blank. Nothing should be there. No home, no about us, nothing.
Okay, we should go to the each individual edit. No, you should go to the tools
Exactly. Tools and then
and
WP.
WP reset
Yeah, correct.
and scroll down.
Mm.
Yeah, 1 minute. A reset site, yes. Type reset and reset site.
And reset WordPress. The first thing, whenever you want to create an advanced website, just reset your website. Now, after resetting your website, the second thing, whatever you need to do is you need to install and activate a plugin called Elementor. This is very important. Without Elementor, see, like Elementor, there are other website builders also like Divi, WP Bakery and all. But these are pro plugins. Elementor is a very good plugin compared to all the other plugins. So let us go with Elementor itself. So
How
what
many are there? How many are there?
so
Element.
many will be there, Ravi, n number of plugins. There are no such 1, 2, 3, nothing like that. There are so many plugins.
Oh, normally, the 90 majority people will use
Mhm. Elementor. See,
Okay.
because Elementor has lots of free options when compared to other plugins. So many options are free over here, and Elementor is easily accessible also. Anybody can understand Elementor very easily. Divi is little bit complicated. It's not very complicated, but it is little bit complicated. So it's better you go with Divi itself, sorry, Elementor itself, rather than going with some other plugin. So now the next thing, whatever you need to do is just go to the plugins over here, click on Add New, and then install and activate a plugin called Elementor. Same thing like how we have done in yesterday's class. Just search for Elementor plugin, install it, and then activate. This is very important.
Plugins add new Elementor.
Elementor. Correct. Okay.
Even like yesterday's class, also I wanted to hit that delete and start yesterday's
Hmm.
class. I should go back to plugins, add new Elementor, then start.
Yes, yes. Yesterday's class also you have to follow the same thing. That is Elementor you need to install and activate. Okay. I have installed it. Then I need to activate this plugin. Here he is asking you to create the account. These things are not required. Just click on the back arrow button so that you can go back to the WordPress dashboard. So I have gone back to the WordPress dashboard, then click on refresh button over here. The moment you click on refresh button, you can see Elementor in the dashboard. So second important step is done. That is, we have installed and activated a plugin called Elementor. Now, whenever you want to create an advanced website, complete beautiful templates, websites and all, go with a theme called Astra. Astra is an advanced theme. Astra is not like your Minimaze or Education Hub or any other themes, whichever we have used in these few days. Astra is completely advanced theme, and Astra is a parent theme. And this parent theme called Astra provides more than 180 plus templates or themes. This provides more than 180 plus themes to us. Now, in case you want to create a something like hospital website, then hospital theme will be available. You want to create a restaurant website, then restaurant theme will be available. Like that, 180 themes Astra provides us to us. So the next thing, the moment you install and activate Elementor, the next thing, whatever you need to do is, you should go to the themes and you have to install and activate called a theme called Astra. So you can see This is the theme called Astra. Just install this theme and activate this theme. Before installing and activating any theme, only these two options will appear to you. But the moment you install and activate any theme, n number of options will be appearing under appearance. You already know this point. So just click on activate button over here. Search for a theme called Astra, install the theme and then activate the theme. Same thing. See, directly it might not appear to you because your website is a new website. You need to click on add new button over here. Then you have to search for a theme called Astra, like how you have searched for the plugin. Now I have installed the theme called Astra and I have activated also. That is the reason we are able to see widgets, customized menus and all. Now if you have observed in the past few classes, customize option was available to us, widgets option was available, menus was available and also theme file editor. These all options were available. But have you observed in the last few classes, anytime did you see Astra options under appearance?
No, we
No,
haven't seen.
it will not appear. Astra options will only appear if you are installing and activating a theme called Astra. Otherwise, it is not going to appear. So the moment you have installed and activated a theme, do not go to any other process. Like do not click on pages, do not click on menus. All these things are not required. If it is a basic website, then you have to follow those 4 steps called pages, menu, theme, customize. It is very important. Pages, menu, theme, and customize. In basic website, what we are doing, everything we are doing from scratch. We have to do lots of hard work. Here, I'm not creating any page. If you have observed, did I go to pages? No. Did I go to menu? I'm not even going to menu. Only theme, I'm applying some theme. That theme is known as Astra. That's it. Even customization and all, as of now, I'm not doing anything. Directly, I'm going to theme and installing and activating it. So the moment you have installed and activated Astra, just click on Astra options. This is very important option. You need to click on Astra option. Then after clicking on Astra options, this is the interface which you guys will be able to see. So you can see over here on the right side, it provides more than 180 plus starter template. That means it is going to provide 180 plus themes to you. Now, after clicking on Astra options, here in very small letters, you can see install importer plugin. This is the most important step. Most of the students skip this part and they'll get confused over here because, to be honest, it is not easily available, easily visible in case you're doing it for the first time and all. So after clicking on Astra options, please click on install importer plugin. It looks like a normal text, but it is clickable. Please click on install importer plugin. What is the meaning of install importer plugin? What all the themes are Astra is providing, all those themes will be installed. That is the meaning of install importer plugin. All those themes will be activated. All the 180 plus themes which Astra provides. So the moment you click on install importer plugin, okay, I think that was the server issue. Yeah. The moment you click on install importer plugin, whatever the options are appearing to you, just click on those options. Now, what option is appearing to me over here? He is asking me to build your website now. Obviously, I want to create my website. That is why I'm using Astra. So I'm clicking on build your website now. Whatever the option is appearing to you, please click on that option. Then they're asking which page builder you want to use. Which page builder in the sense, which website builder you want to use. You want to use block editor, you want to use this thing, or you want to use something else. As of now, I want to use Elementor because that is the reason I have installed and activated Elementor, right? So always go with Elementor option itself. So I'm selecting the option called Elementor. Now comes the easiest part. The moment I select Elementor, all the themes which Astra provides, more than 180 themes, you guys are able to see it over here. So many themes, advanced themes these are not the basic themes which we have seen till now. All these themes are advanced themes. Now, whichever theme you want, just take that theme and install, and you can just edit your website. Complete website will be created within few seconds. Astra also tells in how many seconds you are creating your website. In 15 seconds, you can create your website. In 30 seconds, you can create your website. And after installing this particular theme, you can just edit it. Like if you remember yesterday's class, the second part, whatever we have done while building our page with the help of Elementor, the same process you need to follow it over here. So you're into some personal care kind of business, like you're a yoga trainer or you're something like anything. Like let's assume you're an interior designer, then you can click on professionals and you can see for interior designers. You want to create an e-commerce website, then you can click on e-commerce over here. You want to create a blogging website, then you can click on blog. All the blog related themes will be available to you. Here, all the e-commerce related themes will be available to you. Here, all the personal themes. Personal in the sense you're a photographer, you're an artist, something about you, right? So those kind of things will be available. Here, professionals, you're a lawyer, you're any coach, you're into photography, you're an interior designer, then click on interior designer. Interior designing themes will be available to you. And whichever interior designing theme you would like to install or you would like to select, just select that particular theme. Here again, personal care. You are into salon or beauty, fitness, yoga, then according to your understanding, whichever niche you are into, just select that particular theme. Then local business, your plumber, electrician, painter, all these kind of things, then you can select this. You have your own business, you have your own restaurant, then select this. So according to your understanding, whichever theme you would like to take, just go with that particular. N number of themes are visible, available to us over here. Now let's assume you're into some interior designing. So what I'll be doing, I'll just search. You can directly search for interior designing over here. You need not click on sub pages. The moment I click on interior designing themes, all these themes are available to us. So I'm just clicking on interior designer over here. Just select that particular theme. Whichever theme you liked, select that particular theme. Yes. Now just see it over here. I have selected a theme that is interior designing theme. Home, about, services, project, testimonials, contacts, even the buttons, everything is created by itself. Everything is inbuilt. I have not created anything over here. Footer is created. Each and everything is created. If you go to the About Us page, even About Us page is also created. All the pages are created. Complete website is created. Complete website is an inbuilt website. So in case you like this website, just click on continue and install this particular website. So am I creating these pages over here, Ravi? Did we create the pages? Home page, about page, services page? No, we are not creating the pages. Pages are also inbuilt. And if you observe, pages are automatically added to the menu. Whereas in a basic WordPress website, what you're doing, you have to create page, you have to add the content from scratch, then add that page to the menu, then arrange it twice. In the customization part, you need to arrange the menu 2 times, then only the menu will be arranged in a proper order. So
And
lots of
create a
hard work you
blog
need to
also
do.
blog also we should create after the customize earlier.
Yes, yes, blog also. Even you have blogging themes over here. N
Okay.
number of blogging themes are available. In case you want to create a blogging website, you can go with the blogging websites. Blogging themes which are provided by Astra. So which is easy? Obviously, this is much more easier, right? Here within few seconds, you are able to create your website and only editing part is left over. You have to just add your own content over here, research and add your own content, add your own logo, add your own images regarding your website, and your website will be created. So obviously, this is much more easier than the basic WordPress designing. So WordPress designing is not at all difficult task. Anybody can create a WordPress design website. The most important thing is you need to concentrate on marketing techniques like SEO, Google Ads, and social media. To be honest, website designing is nothing. Whatever we have done till now is to understand the basics of website designing. If you don't know what is a page, if you don't know what is a menu, then obviously you will not understand how these things have come over here. That is the reason we should start from the scratch. That is pages, menu, theme, and then custom. So now let's assume we didn't like this theme. Just click on back button. Again, explore all the other themes. So many themes are available. So just spend a little bit of time and explore a number of themes, whichever themes you would like to go with. Then here there are some beauty themes, yoga themes, salon themes, whichever you are into. Just go with that. This is somehow,
Even hospitals also is there, no?
yes, yes, it will be available. See, even now let's assume your niche theme is not available. Take any other theme, no? Take any other theme and convert into your web niche website. You can do that, right? Instead of these images, you can add your own images. Instead of, obviously you have to customize it anyways. So even if it is some other theme, you can again convert into your hospital website also. You need not search only for hospital. There is no such rule that only for hospital themes you have to create a hospital website. So you can take any other basic theme, I mean any other theme on, you can convert into a hospital website. See here, dental clinic, psychiatrist, and if you observe, it will be there. This is some, again, multi-med clinic, but this is a premium thing. You need to purchase it. This is health and wellness. So again, it is also a hospital theme. Again, this is dentist, this thing. This is also hospital. This is also hospital. So there are so many themes. Even free themes, there are so many themes related to hospitals. Whichever theme you like, just go with that particular. Let's see this thing. Any theme you can take and you can convert into whichever website you would like to. Okay, I think this is dentist website. Home, about, procedures, reviews, contact, everything is there. Now here contact form is also by default created. See, contact form is also by default created. You need not create your own contact form and all these things. Then here images, instead of these images, you should add your own images like how we have done in yesterday's class. You have to add your own text, add your own phone number, add your own links, write some content. Obviously, content will not be given by them. You have to add the content. Do the proper research and add the content. And you can add the reviews of your patients and everything. Then you can add your own Google Maps, like how we have done in yesterday's class. You provide your own location. You can add your own address, your own open hours. You can add your own social media links over here. Everything you can do according to your understanding. So now let's assume you like this theme. What you need to do once you like this theme, just click on skip and continue over here. They are asking you, in case you want to upload your own logo, you can upload the own logo, but as of now it is not required. Later also you can upload the logo. It's not mandatory that you have to upload it as of now. Don't do it. Just click on skip and continue. So now let's assume we like this theme. So I'm just clicking on skip and continue over here. Then this option was not there previously. It is a option we have since few months itself. So you can see default colors are these colors in this particular website. It is sky blue. I mean, yeah, why this kind of colors are there. But in case you want to change the colors, then you can also change the colors of the website, like whichever colors. But it is related to hospital, right? So it's better you go with the sky blue theme itself. So in case you want to keep it as default colors, just keep it default, but you can change the colors and everything. Then after that, again, click on continue. The moment you click on continue, they will ask your first name, last name, all these things. These are unnecessary. Don't waste your time over here. Just click on submit and build my website. That's it. And within few seconds, your website will be built. Complete website will be built. Pages will be created by itself. Pages will be added to the menu by itself. All the images will be added. Complete footer, header, everything will be added. You have to just do the customization part. And you can also see over here within how many seconds your website has been created. See, can you see? Your website is ready and it just took 19 seconds to build. Generally, people think it will take so many days to create a website and all, but WordPress website designing, if you know this logic of Astra, then it is very easy. So even if you did not practice for the complete 10 days, the past few days, just concentrate on one class and you will understand website design. So just click on view your website and a brand new website is created. Just look at this. Complete brand new website is created. Your home page. Again, about page. In about page also content will be there. Again, procedures, reviews, contact, get appointment. So this is how you need to create a website with the help of Elementor and also using Astra Theme. Now let's assume you want to edit this home page, Ravi. How will you edit it? Obviously, you can't keep the content as it is, right? You have to add your own content, your own logo. Okay, regarding logo, I'll tell you, but now let's assume I want to change the text over here. I want to change the images over here. Then how can I do that?
Go to that option.
Edit with Elementor. Can you see this? Edit with Elementor.
Yeah.
Yesterday also we have seen this option, right? Yesterday
Yes.
also we have seen this option. So just click on Edit with Elementor. Go to any particular page. You want to edit home page, then click on home and then edit with Elementor. You want to edit about page, then click on about and edit with Elementor. Now, I want to change the background image. Can you tell me how to change the background image? Like we have discussed in yesterday's class.
Go to the this dots.
Exactly. Then style. And
Okay,
you can
dots.
change the background image. Whichever background image you would like to upload. You want to give the background type. You want to give background color. You want it to be positioned. See, center left. In a sense, it is going to the left side. Center left. Then you want top center. Then it is coming like this. So however you would like to adjust, you can just adjust. Then if I'm scrolling, the image is also getting scrolled. If you observe, you want it to be fixed, then the image will be fixed. I'm scrolling. Just observe this part. See how much you can customize with the help of Elementor. Before it was like this. The option was scroll. The moment I'm scrolling, the image is also getting scrolled. It is going above, right? But the moment I'm changing it to fixed, what is happening over here? Image is fixed. Image is not moving anywhere. My text is only moving. So that is that option. So you have to just explore these options. One by one, you have to explore these options. Then only you will understand. Then you need to change this text. Just click on that text and give your own text. You want to give the link, then give the link. Go to new tab, click on refresh button, copy any web page URL. Now let's assume you want to take about page URL, just copy the about page URL, come back over here and paste it. That is what you can do. And what else is there? Here, few buttons are also there if you observe. Obviously, you can't keep it as it is. You have to give your own phone number. Just give the own phone number over here. Whichever phone number you would like to give, just give that number. And here again, you have to just describe about that. Dental implants, just write some text regarding that. Then again, cosmetic dentistry, root canals, just regarding everything, you have to write the content. Then you can also change the images. Obviously, you can't keep the same images regarding your patient's images in case you would like to upload. You can just upload. So everything you can edit over here with the help of Elementor. The same thing, whatever we have done in yesterday's class. And even contact form is also available by default. You didn't like this contact form, then you can just create your own contact form, that is contact form by subsystem, and you can upload your own contact form. This is how you need to do it. Is it easy? Which one is more easy? Whatever we have done in the past few days, or this is easy?
This is like driving, like you come out driving like Honda Activa immediately.
This is matter of few seconds, right? Even
Yeah.
if you forget anything in the past, but still one class is enough for you to understand website design.
Agree. No, no, I am wanted to learn from the scratches itself, but
Hmm.
somehow I'm firstly
Time
I start.
constraint.
Time is a very very I leave at now. I am uh, don't believe I worked up.
Now let's assume you want to change the logo. Obviously, you have to keep your own logo. Just click on this dots over here. I mean these three lines over here. Then, in case you want to go back to the WordPress dashboard, like I have told in yesterday's class, just click on exit button and you will go back to the WordPress dashboard. But before that, there is something called site settings over here. Just click on site settings. And the moment you click on site settings, there is an option called site identity. Site settings and then site identity. Here you can see the site logo. Logo is also provided by default. So you have to change your own logo over here. Then in case favicon I have told you in the initial classes, favicon is nothing but on the tabs, whichever logo you are seeing, the smaller version of the logos, those things are known as favicon. For Gmail, for Zoom, you're able to see it over here, for WordPress and all. So in case you want to have your own favicon, just upload your logo over here. The smallest version of your logo will be appearing on the tabs. That is the meaning of favicon. Then you want to give the name of your website, you can give it. Otherwise, it's not required. Then description you would like to give it, just give it. See, if you're giving logo, don't give names and all these things. Those are not required. If you're not providing logo for your website, then give some name for your website and description. Choose any one of the options. Then after everything is done, just click on update button over here. After each and every step, you need to click on update button. Then you can just skip to this thing, that is WordPress dashboard. Just click on again 3 lines over there, click on exit button, apply, and then leave. That's it. And you'll go back to the WordPress dashboard. This is how you need to create an advanced WordPress website. Now let's assume you want to change the theme. You don't want to go with this theme, then you want to go with something else. Just click on again appearance. Just concentrate on this part. Whenever you're practicing, it will help you. Appearance, Astra options. Appearance, Astra options. The first time whenever you're using Astra, install importer plugin option will appear. But you have already installed it, right? In the past step, we have already installed it. You need not install it again and again. From the second time onwards, just click on see library. Library in the sense all the 180 templates will be visible to you. Only first time you have to do that. Second time onwards, it is complete direct. So all the themes are available to me over here. Again, select whichever theme you are into. Just select that particular theme. You are into yoga, then you can go with yoga. You are into beauty, you can go with beauty. I mean, any of the themes, whichever you are into. Now let's assume someone is a makeup artist. Then they will be going with this particular theme. This is one of the beautiful themes. That is why I'm going with this. Then again, skip and continue. You need not upload anything over here. You can do it later, as I said. Then click on continue. Default colors, you want to keep it as it is. You want to change the colors. It's up to you. Just play with it. Then click on again continue option. You need not fill this form. Just click on submit and build my website. Whatever options are appearing to you, continue option, submit option, just click on those options. Whatever they are showing it to you. Then within few seconds, your website will be built. Within 30 seconds, 20 seconds, or hardly 1 minute. In few cases, 1 minute, but mostly within 1 minute itself. Yes, within 22 seconds, our website has been created. View your website, and you can see a brand new website. Complete website has been created. Now again, the same thing. In case you want to edit my home page, now can you tell me, I want to edit my home page or I want to edit my about page. How can I do that?
Click on edit element.
Directly, you should not click. Which page you want to edit? First, click on that particular page. You want to edit about page, then click on about. Then you have to click on edit with Elementor. So this is the about page, right? So
Yeah.
in case you want to click, edit about page, just click on edit with Elementor. You want to edit services page, again click on services and again click on edit with Elementor. That is how it works. Do not click on edit page. If you click on edit page, the basic options will appear to you, the basic editing parts, whichever you have done in the past classes. So don't click on edit page, always click on edit with Elementor. Now let's assume you want to edit the home page. So I've selected home over here, then I'm clicking on edit with Elementor. Then the same process, whatever we have done in yesterday's class, you have to follow, just editing, just customization part, you need to do it over here. Just change the background image, then click on this dots over here, then go to style option and you can change the background image. Then there are a number of options. You have to choose these options over here. See, this option was not there in yesterday's class because we have not used any template, right? In style, there is an option called shape divider. That means you want some mountain shape over here or selling some zigzag shapes or any triangle shapes, and you can use this option called shape divider. You want some zigzag, then zigzags will be available. You want some mountains, and mountains will be available. See here, some mountains are available. In case you want to just explore it, you can just do it. Till you want some waves, then you can select waves. If you don't want anything, then just click on none. So there are a number of options. You have to explore these options one by one. It is not complicated. You just explore it and you will understand what exactly those options are. Then you want to change it. See, website designing is very easy. That is what I told you. But website designing is a time-consuming process. You will do this in within few seconds, within few minutes. You will spend a little bit of time and you will install your website. Everything will be done. But adding the content is not that easy. Everything you have to customize. Every single word you have to customize. This thing, in case you want to customize, you have to change it again over here. You want to give some color to this, again go to style. You want to also give some background color, again go to advanced. So even for one single word or one single sentence, you will be spending some 10 to, at least 2 to 3 minutes of time. In case you are familiar with Elementor, at least 5 minutes of time, or at least 2 to 3 minutes of time you'll be spending it over here. So like that, complete website you have to create. How many pages are there in your website? Those many pages, complete website you have to create. So it will take few weeks of time. It is an easy process, but yet it is a time consuming process. Lots of customization you have to do it in WordPress designing. So again, you want to change this, you can just change this. And here, these are buttons. So for every button, you need to give the link. Just keep that thing in the mind. Then as we have discussed in yesterday's class, I want to give some, what is that called? Icon over here. Some icon over here, like arrow button or smiling face or something like that for my button. How can I do that? Because these are buttons, right? I can provide those icons. Smiling face or arrow
Go to click
symbol.
on that. Click on that.
Okay, I clicked on it.
And left side there is a bar button, full top. There here.
So this will just change the colors. That's it. Success in
No,
the
no,
sense.
down. Icon is there, no?
Okay, icon library. You need to click on icon library, then just select the icon, whichever icon you would like to go with. That's it. Elementor is fun, Ravi. If you spend time on Elementor, you will like it. Then where you want to place the icon, you can just select some space. Again, same thing for contacts. Then you want to give some link, please provide the links. Go to the new tab, copy any page URL, and then paste the links over there. It is mandatory for you to paste the link. Now here contact now is there, right? Where will you link your audience to? Where will you redirect your audience to for contact now? If someone clicks on contact now, where you want them to go to?
About the home page.
Home page,
Services.
services. You don't want them to go to contact now is there in the home page itself. No, Ravi. Why again you want them to redirect to home page? It is there in the home page only.
Okay.
Obviously, you want them to go to the contact page, right?
Contact page. Okay.
So again, just copy the URL of contact page. Copy the URL of contact page. Here, everything related to the contacts is available, right? Come
No.
back over here and paste it. So when someone clicks on contact now, they will be redirected to the contact us page of your website. Then again, scroll down here, a number of images are provided. You can just drag and drop this kind of images. In case you're seeing this kind of stuff in any other theme also, just drag and drop according to your understanding. You can just adjust them. You can add your own images also. See, these images are not background images. Even if you click over here, I don't think nothing will happen. Even if I'm clicking on style, I'm unable to change these images. For these kind of images, just click on this button, whatever you're able to see, then go to style and you can change the image. Again, for this, you want to change, again, click over here, again, go to style and you can change that image. The same thing goes on for all these things also. Again, welcome to is there, something is there. Again, you have to add your own text. Then buttons are there. So everything you have to do from scratch. Images are also available over here. In case you want to change it, you can just change it. Title is provided. Description, you have to add your own description. Someone who is pro in this field, then they will be able to add it, obviously. If someone does not know about it, they will not be able to add it. Then again, everything is provided by default. Each and everything is provided by default. The haircut, makeup, hair color regarding this prices also they have given. Then here social media icons as we have discussed in yesterday's class. Let's say you don't have Elf account, just delete it. Again, you don't have this thing, also delete it. Now let's assume I want to add my Instagram account over here. I want to give my Instagram account link or my YouTube or any other social media account link, LinkedIn account link. How can I do that? By default, these two things are available. But I want to add something extra. Instagram. How can I do that?
Add item.
Yes, add item. By default, WordPress logo will be available. You have to go into the icon library, then search for that particular social media. That is Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever it is. Select it, then click on insert button, and you can see your Instagram has been added. Go to your Instagram account, paste the link over here. Then how you want the shapes, rounded, square, circle, you can just select it accordingly. You want to give background color for this, then go to the advanced and give the background color. There's an option called background. Please give the background color over here. So that is how you need to edit the content. Now I want to change the logo of my website, Ravi. How can I do that?
Want to create as a logo, no?
Yes, logo.
Okay, go to the top left side, that 3 bar here,
Yeah.
and
Site,
setting
yeah, site settings, site identity.
site identity.
And here you can change the logo, you can give the favicon, you can give name, description of your website, all these things you can do. Okay. Done. Now, if you observe, okay, this is our website. And now let's assume you want to see how this website is appearing on mobile phone or how this website is appearing on tablet. Will you open mobile phone and will you search for this website and see? No, you can't waste your time like that, right? Because most of the time, users are not going to visit your website from laptop or desktop. Most of the users, 90% of the users will be visiting from mobile phone itself. So always make sure your website is a mobile friendly website. It should be a mobile friendly website. How can you check how is your website appearing on a mobile phone or not? Here in the like wherever you are able to see the settings, there is an option called responsive mode. Besides this I symbol, you can see there is an option called responsive mode. Just click on responsive mode. This is the your desktop version or laptop version. Obviously, you are able to see this. In case you want to see the tablet version, just click on tablet, and this is how your website will be appearing on tablet. In case you want to see how is your website appearing on mobile phone, then this is how your website is appearing on mobile phone. You need not open mobile or tablet and see how is your website appearing. You can just click on responsive mode over here, and you can see how it is appearing. Now let's assume you didn't like something on mobile phone version. You didn't like something on mobile phone version. Do the editing part over here itself. You want to change the background image. You want this girl to appear properly on mobile phone. Then just click over here and align the position properly, or you can just do it properly, like adjust it properly. And whatever the changes you are doing on mobile phone version or whatever the changes you are doing on tablet version, those changes will be limited to itself. Those changes will be limited to itself. What is the meaning of limited to itself? If I'm changing anything on mobile phone version, that change will not appear on the tablet version or desktop version. That change will only be there on a mobile phone version itself. So don't think just because I'm changing something over here, my desktop version also it will be changed. No. Whatever the changes you are doing, those changes will be limited to that particular device itself. So in case you didn't like something on mobile phone version, just go to mobile over here and do the editing part. You didn't like something on tablet, go to the tablet version and do the editing part. And those changes will be limited to that particular device. So this is how you need to check how is your website appearing on all the 3 devices. Is this clear, Ravi, regarding responsive mode?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Now, let's click on into. Yeah. If you observe, we are able to edit each and everything on this website, right? Each and everything we are able to edit. The logo we are able to change. We are able to edit these images, buttons, text, each and everything. But have you observed we are unable to edit the footer? It's not clickable, right? Even if I want to change it, everywhere this thing is appearing, right? Directly this pencil or edit button is appearing. But here I'm clicking everywhere on the footer, but nothing is happening. I'm unable to change the footer. See, whenever you are using such advanced themes, most of the times you will not be able to edit the footer directly. I'm unable to edit the footer. That means it's not our fault. It is inbuilt actually. You will not be able to edit the footer directly. In such cases, what you have to do is you have to go with the basic WordPress designing option. In case I want to do some changes in my basic WordPress website, which was the option we were using? We were using customize option, right? In the WordPress dashboard, we were using an option called customize. So same thing you need to follow over here also. Same thing you need to follow it over here. Just click on appearance and under appearance, customize. Do you remember this option, Ravi? Customize, pages, menu, theme, customizing.
Yes, yes.
So if anything is not happening, not only footer, if anything is not happening in your advanced WordPress designing, if you think your stuck over there, just come to the customized part of the, basic, just follow the basic method of customization. And here you will be able to do it. In customization, there is an option called footer. Header will be there, footer will be there, everything will be there. If you see, there is an option called footer builder over here. Click on footer. Obviously, the bottom part of the website is known as a footer, right? The moment I click on footer, see, it is getting activated. The edit symbols are getting activated over here. Now you can edit happily, or however you would like to edit, just edit them happily. Just click on it. You want to change the logo, then change the logo over here. You want to change the name, you can change the name. See, just click on edit image or replace image and add your own image. Then here you can see the name is provided, the text is provided. Regarding yourself, you can write about yourself, describe about yourself. Then again, over here, you can provide your phone, your email address and everything over here. You can provide your own contactors over here. Here again, social media icon. See, you can provide your own phone number, your own social media icon links you can provide over here. So this is how you need to edit. In case if it is not happening with your this thing, Elementor, please come back to the customization, the basic part, and then customize it. Because this is footer, I have clicked on footer builder. That is how you need to follow. Is this part clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Then one more thing is, now if you observe in this particular website, how many pages are provided by default? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages are provided by default. Let's assume I want to create a 6th page. Then what will you do, Ravi? You're happy with 5 pages, but you want to add a little bit more content regarding anything, and you want to create a new page. How will you do that? These pages are created by scratch, by default, right? We have not created these pages. Everything was inbuilt, and you can see all the pages over here, all the pages, inbuilt pages. We have not added, but they are added in directly. Then if you go to the menu also, all these pages will be arranged in a particular order. We have not arranged them in a particular order. By default, they will give a menu name called primary, like how we have given first, ABC, XYZ. They will give it as primary. And then all the pages, everything is arranged properly. But my question is, 5 pages are provided by default. Obviously, for free, 5 pages is more than enough, right? But let's assume you want a 6th page. Then what will you do? Some XYZ page.
Go to again this menu.
Menu. Okay, this is menu only.
Not the menu. I think we should go to the appearance.
Okay. In appearance,
Add new pages.
where can you add a page? Your answer is correct. But where I need to go to add a page?
Okay.
Where can we create a page? Pages, menu, theme, customize. I want to create a new page, Ravi. Where can I create a page?
Okay, go to the plus new button.
Where is this button?
On top.
No, here you can see. Here you can click on plus new and you can click on page. That is also one of the option. But here we have followed this option, right? Pages and then add new. Do you remember this?
Yes,
Pages
yes.
and then add new. That is the option you need to follow. You did not go into appearance. All these things are not required. Whatever you have told is correct, but you told me to go to the appearance. So just go to the pages and then click on add new, right? In case I want to create a new page, which is not provided by default, I have to create it from scratch, right? Only 5 pages are provided by default, and I am the one who want a 6th page. So 6th page will not come automatically. We have to do something. And what we need to do? We have to design it from scratch. That means you have to give the page name, you have to add it to the menu, all these things you have to do. Just click on pages and then click on add new over here. And the moment you click on add new, you have to give your page title, click on publish button. And in case you want to add the content to this particular page, how will you add the content? By using plus symbol or by using edit with Elementor?
Edit with Elementor.
Exactly. Do not use plus symbol. Edit with Elementor. And if you remember in yesterday's class how we have added the content from scratch by using edit with Elementor, that is how you need to do it. See, just click on edit with Elementor. Then you have to choose the structure. Then you have to drag and drop the add-ons. You have to do this hard work. I hope you remember this part, yesterday's class.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what you need to
Better.
do. Yeah, that is what you need to do. Now, will that page called courses, whichever we have created, will it be added directly to the menu? Will it be directly appearing to our audience, or should we do something? Every page, all other pages were inbuilt pages, whereas course page we have created right now. That means it is not an inbuilt page. We have created it. Do you think course page will be directly added to the menu, or should I add it to the menu?
We should add up because
Exactly.
everything.
Exactly right. So go to the menu and then add the page, whichever you have created, just add that page to the menu. All the pages will be by default added, but this page will not be added, right? Because you are doing something extra. So you have to add that page to the menu. Then click on save. That's it. So you can see page called course. Obviously, you should add the content and everything. Click on edit with Elementor, then add the content. As of now, nothing is there, so only footer is appearing to us. So that is how you need to add an extra page or something like that. Is it clear, Ravi?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. So now let's assume I want to change the theme. I want to go with some other theme. How will you follow the steps from starting? Can you please tell me?
Add the theme, no?
Okay, which theme? Okay, I want to start from scratch. I want to create an advanced WordPress website. What steps do I need to follow?
Tools,
Okay, tools.
WP reset,
Perfect.
scroll down. Yeah, site reset, reset site.
And whenever you are changing themes, you need not reset the website, Ravi. See now, before we have used some dental theme. Then I have changed to some other theme, some beauty theme over here. If you observed, I did not reset the website in between. I have just changed the theme, that's it. Okay, I have reset the website. What is the next step?
Okay, now we should go to the plugins,
Perfect. Plugins.
add new,
Okay,
and type Elementor, install, activate.
okay. Do not create
Back,
it.
don't create anything,
Yeah.
go back.
Okay, Elementor has been done. First step is done. Perfect. What is next step?
Uh, once it is done, we have to
Which theme do we need to use? An advanced theme, a parent theme called Astra.
Astra.
Appearance, themes, and then search for a theme called Astra. Install and activate a theme called Astra. Okay, I have installed and activated Astra. Can you please tell me what is the next step?
Theme got activated.
Okay,
Click on that theme.
which theme? Do you remember this part? I have told there is something called Astra options, which is very important.
Astra options. Okay.
Yeah, just click on Astra options and then
You will
activate.
have activate
Yes,
the plugin.
correct. First time you will see activate import a plugin, but from the second time you will see something called T library or something like that. Oh, okay, there is a hosting problem. So the moment you click on activate import a plugin, then they will ask you which plugin you want to use. Which plugin we are using? We are using a plugin called Elementor, right? So always select Elementor. That is the reason we have installed and activated Elementor. Then you want to build your website, whatever the option is appearing to you. After clicking on activate import a plugin, please click on that particular option. Then which page builder or website builder you want to use? I'm using Elementor. Then all the themes are going to be visible to you, and whichever theme you would like to choose, just please choose that particular theme over here, whichever field you are into and on. Even for blogging websites, see, let's assume you want to create a blogging website. Just click on blog, and whichever blogging website theme you would like to take, just take that particular theme over here. It's up to you. Don't think blogs will be provided by default. No, blogs will not be provided by default. You have to change the title. You have to change the category. You have to change the featured image. Everything will be there. Some random things will be there. You have to just change it. Just editing part, how you have done over here, the same thing you need to follow it over there. So whichever theme you are into, just choose that particular theme. Then click on skip and continue. Again, continue. Do I need to fill this or it's not required? Not required. Yeah. Within few seconds, your website will be created and you know how to edit that particular website using Elementor. That's it. This is how you need to create an advanced WordPress website. Is it clear, Ravi?
Yes, clear.